So we're going to go over 2 sheets today. Interpreting scatter plots and lines of best fit. This one we've already talked about a little bit, so that one will be a quick one. This one we've kind of. So there's different kinds of interpreting you can do. You can say what strength it is, so if it's strong or weak, what type of slope, positive, negative, or 0, and then linearity. So is it a linear line or non-linear? So if we look at this first one, its strength is definitely not weak, but not a super strong. I would probably say close to the strong side. So like I said, kind of strong, but technically it would be a weak, negative, linear scatter plot. Generally, it goes in a downward direction. So it's negative, it's linear, and it is weak. All right, this one, I mean, it's strong. They're in a pattern. The slope is positive then, or negative then positive, and it's a non-linear. So negative then positive. It is non-linear. On the back, it's just making two conclusions about it. We can do anything that we've known so far. So we do have an outlier. It is generally in a positive direction. It's pretty weak. And it is linear. We made way more than 2 conclusions, and that's okay. Next one, for the most part, it's negative. We do have a cluster, which we haven't really talked much about that yet, but that's what that would be. That's a cluster. We have an outlier. This is pretty strong right here, but because we have those, it's a weak and it's linear. Next, these two are both even stronger than these two. So these are both, they're strong. I'm just going right here so I don't forget it. This one is positive. And this one would be negative. And there's more you can come up with. Come up with one more here and one more here. The next page is line best fit. So all you're doing is creating a line that is best fit and then writing the equation for it. So for this one, I'm going to get a ruler. Remember, you should have about the same amount of points above and below. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These two are kind of on the line, so about 8 also. So there's our line. Remember, all of your equations are y equals mx plus or minus b. All of these are going to be plus b, though. Remember, b is your y-intercept. So in this case, we got 21, probably 22. So plus 22. We leave our x, and m is our slope. Goes through these 2 points, but that gives us a slope of 1, which isn't accurate. So let's go from this point to this point. It's negative, and we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So negative 5/4, which is almost 1 over 1. Next one. Line best fit. Ooh, we might have a negative y-intercept here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not going to be perfect. All of these go right through it, so let's do that. So our y-intercept is negative 1, maybe negative 1.5. Our slope, it's kind of hard. Let's go from this point to this point. So here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that gives us 5 over 5. And this looked like it was going to be 1, 1. Pretty close to it. So our slope would be 1. Next. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's pretty close. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, that's okay. So we have y equals my slope. Looks like it's pretty much up 1 over 2. So 1/2. X plus my y-intercept is 6. Number 4. Negative slope. Let's see, is that good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it's a little off, but I probably could have. Let's see, what if I would have done like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where it's just going to be a little off, and that's okay. I'm going to use the first line I drew, so this one right here. My y-intercept was 9, and my slope for them, it's pretty much negative 1/2 x, because I went down 1 over 2. On the back, draw a correct line of best fit. So this one doesn't work. There's only 2 below it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 above it. So you are going to draw a new line that fits more towards the center of it. Let's see, is that a good line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's a little bit better of a line. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really, that's not a horrible line. So my line's not going to be too much different, I don't think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If they're on the line or really close to the line, I wasn't counting them. This arrow on this one is all of them are below it because that one is so close to it. So maybe something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Because all these ones that are so close, they're so close to it that I'm going to leave that. And the last one, it goes through 2 points, which is awesome. There's only one above it, and it's pretty much on the line. So a lot of our points are pretty much going to be on the line, or really close to it. I probably could have even done even better than I did. I have 1, 2 that are far away, only 1 here. But they are pretty close to it. These need to go back into your binder. You might date them with today's date, which is 3/2. And put them in, I think it's your second tab of your binder.